Greetings from the Psd School District. Based on elevated concerns regarding the coronavirus, I have additional information to share with you. We were briefed today, Thursday, March 12th, by local and state government officials, healthcare experts, and other emergency officials with facts and data regarding the impact in Forrest County. Following the guidance of the recent COVID-19 advisory provided by federal, state, and local healthcare organizations, the Psd School District is providing the following updates. First, internal preventative measures. As a reminder, we are promoting effective strategies built on everyday school policies and practices. These practices are applicable to all adults and children. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Washing your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol if soap and water are not available. We're enhancing custodial staff protocols and their sanitation efforts by applying disinfectant in high occupancy common areas and at frequent touch points throughout our schools and buildings. Additionally, healthcare experts indicate this virus is not as rampant among healthy students from the ages of 18 and under. Presently, the stats indicate only 2% infection rate among school-age students. As of now, the Mississippi State Department of Health is not recommending that schools close due to this illness. Now, illness symptoms protocol. In order to ensure the health and well-being of our students and staff, anyone exhibiting the following symptom should call their primary health care provider prior to making an office visit. A fever of 100.4 and greater, cough, or shortness of breath. This alerts the healthcare providers of possible COVID-19 symptoms and allows the healthcare providers to protect themselves prior to evaluation. Now, what are we doing around competitive athletic events? Presently, we're following the guidance from the Mississippi High School Activities Association in conjunction with other healthcare officials. All competitions in the state will remain as scheduled. As further information is received, further precautions may include restricting fan attendance, postponing or canceling contests, or if necessary, no competitions at all. Now, what is our thoughts regarding spring break and travel? While the Center for Disease Control does not generally issue advisories or restrictions for travel within the United States, cases of COVID-19 have been reported in many states, with some areas experiencing community spread of the disease. Please utilize the following consideration in regard to travel. Is COVID-19 spreading where you're going? If so, you may be at a higher risk of exposure if you travel there. Do you have a plan for taking time off of work or school in case you get exposed to or are sick with COVID-19? If you have close contact with someone with COVID-19 during travel, you may be asked to stay home to self-monitor and avoid contact with others for up to 14 days after travel. Now, the circumstances around coronavirus are changing daily, and it's difficult to provide real-time updates. I encourage you to visit our social media outlets, the Center for Disease Control, and the state and national health departments to gather up-to-date information. I know that many organizations and institutions and even businesses are making adjustments and modifications all around us. We continue to execute our plan at the Psd School District, and we have a contingency plan in place for other scenarios that might arise as well. What I want you to know, as with everything that we do in this district, we put the well-being and the safety of our students and staff as a very top priority. We feel like we have good practices and procedures in place, and we feel very confident with our approach. As with everything that we do, we're going to be transparent and keep you up to date to the best of our ability. I want to thank you for your support and trust in us in all that we do, and we truly feel that we are better together.